Butter or oil, what should we really be using in our kitchens? This question has confused a lot of people over the years. Some people believe in sticking with old traditional fats like butter or desi ghee because that's what our parents and grandparents used. While on the other hand, modern cooking oils such as olive oil or canola oil are better for our body. But now finally we have answer, not my personal opinion, but actual research from world-class scientists. And what they discovered might completely change your opinion about fats. In this video, we will explore how butter or plant-based oils impact your body, your heart, your energy level, and your long-term well-being. And towards the end of the video, I will be sharing simple cooking swaps so you can try. Change is so small they won't mess with your favorite recipes, but powerful enough to improve your health over the period of time. Let's start this video and find out what research says. A recent long-term study published in a renowned medical journal which followed more than 200,000 adults over the period of 30 years, that's 3 decades of real-life dietary habits, health outcomes and lifestyle data. So in this research, the scientists wanted to know one big question: does the kind of fat you eat, butter or oil, really affect your overall health and how long you stay well? And the answer of that question is absolutely yes. Consuming butter or oil does impact your overall health. So the scientists found out people who regularly use butter in their diet showed a high risk of health challenge linked to long-term lifestyle habit. On the other hand, those who used more plant-based oils lived longer and had more active lifestyle. And you know what is the most surprising part? Just replacing a small amount of butter, let's say just 1 spoon a day, with plant oil was connected to noticeable improvement in how people felt and functioned. These aren't the small differences, these are the lifestyle changing results. But why does this happen? What is it about plant oils that helps our body, and what is it about butter that hold it back? The answer lies in the type of fat each one contains. Butter rich in saturated fats, and when the level of LDL goes up, it can lead to narrow or block arteries, which directly affects our heart and its function. Plant oil, on the other hand, are full of unsaturated fats, especially a type called omega-6 fatty acids. These fats reduce the bad cholesterol level, support better blood flow, and do not raise inflammation or stress in the body, unlike what some outdated theories used to claim previously. That's why trusted health organizations like the American Heart Association recommend replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats for a better healthy lifestyle. Now you might be wondering, do I need to stop butter completely? The good answer is not at all. You don't need to give up on everything you love. You just need to make small and smart changes that adds up over time. So let me show you a simple food swaps that you can start making today. So instead of frying your vegetables in butter or desi ghee, try using olive oil, canola oil or mustard oil because these oils are light, flavorful and helps your body without compromising the taste. When baking cakes, muffins or even making parathas, swap butter for avocado oil, unsweetened applesauce or plant-based margarine. You will hardly notice any difference in taste, but your body will definitely thank you. Instead of butter on your bread, go for nut butter like peanut or almond butter, hummus or even olive oil with some herbs. So just reducing 1 tablespoon butter a day can lead to a noticeable impact on how you feel, from your energy level to your digestion system. So now let's address the elephant in the room, a common argument I hear a lot of times, and that is butter is natural, so isn't it better than processed oils? It sounds logical, right? But here is the truth. Yes, I completely understand butter is natural, but it also has high fats that increases your cholesterol level. And while it's true that some plant-based oil goes through a lot of processing, but not all oils are created with a similar process. Cold-pressed oil like extra virgin olive oil are actually minimal processed and loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. So the word natural doesn't mean healthy. For example, sugar is also natural, but that doesn't make it healthy. So instead of getting caught up in labels, focus on how food works in your body and what long-term science says about all these kind of foods and fat. As someone who grew up in Indian home, I totally understand that our food is deeply connected to our culture, especially the ingredients like ghee, butter, or even vegetable oil. But here is the thing, India has the highest number of heart-related issues, which means we need to balance our traditional values and awareness. And here's how you can do that in a practical way possible. So by using ghee in a small amount, let's say 1 tablespoon is enough to keep the taste and the texture. Avoid vegetable oil or solid fats. These are often filled with trans fats that are harmful for your body. And remember, always mix your oils. Use mustard oil, sunflower oil, or olive oil for your daily cooking, and reserve the butter or the desi ghee for the special occasions. This way you can enjoy your food that you love without compromising on your health. So let's quickly go over what we learned today. New research clearly shows that plant-based oils are a smarter choice than butter for a healthy lifestyle. You don't need to quit butter completely, just cut back a little and switch your fat smartly. A few tiny changes every day in your cooking, like how you saute, bake, or spread, can make a huge difference in how you feel. If this video gives you insightful information, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who still lords their bread with lot of butter, and drop a comment below which oils do you use at home. I would love to know what's in your kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more public health research videos. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.